everyone, my name is Dr. S. Pavan Kumar Reddy, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur campus. I am dealing the subject is data structures using Python. In the data structures, one of the important topic is greedy method introduction. Here, what do you mean by greedy method? That is greedy algorithm. Here, the greedy algorithm is a problem solving approach. The greedy algorithm is a problem solving approach that makes a series of choices at each step with the find out the optimal solution. A series of choices have to find out the optimal solution. It's called greedy means because at each step it can be find out the locally optimal choices without considering the global consequences. Without considering the global consequences. That is the greedy algorithm. Now, this is the simple example, real-time example for greedy algorithm. That is, see the real-time example. Here, this is the Alex. The Alex has a rich person and also smart guy. Now, and Rachel is a Alex friend. Okay, the Rachel is a desperate need of $50. Means the Rachel have need for $85, but she needs some money. So the number of coins is minimal. The number of coins is minimal. Okay, the Alex is a infinity supply. The Alex having the money. The money is given to the Rachel. How to give the money means the Alex having there is a number of coins are there. $50, $20, $10, $5 coins in different bags. Here, one bag having the $50, one bag having the $20, another bag having the $10, another bag having the $5 currency. So, the Rachel needs $85. The $85. So, now the Alex will need to come with the combination of coins. Combination of coins. With the result is 85. The least possible number of coins is find out. Here, the Alex is confused because there are so many permutations are there. Okay. Here, the 17 coins is of $5, 18 coins of $10 plus 1 coin of $5, 4 coins of $20, 1 coin is $5, 1 coin is 50, 3 coins is 20, 1 coin is $5. There is a number of permutations of having the Alex. Okay. Now, after thinking the problem for a while, the Alex came with the idea. The Alex having the one idea. Each iteration, the goal is add a coin of the highest worth we did not take him past amount to be paid. Okay. 50 coin, 20 coin, 10 coin, 5 coin. Total add that is $85. $85. Now, after thinking about this problem, the Alex came with the idea. Okay. That is $85. Now, what is the greedy algorithm? The greedy algorithm is one of the paradigm that can be follow the problem solving method for selecting the locally optimal choices at each step to finally got the final optimal solution. This algorithm is a optimization algorithm which can only minimum and maximum possible result. The greedy algorithm for the simple to develop the short execution time. Okay, what is the optimal substructure? Here, the optimal substructure means the problem is dividing into subproblems and also having the some greedy choices. Each subproblem have given the another subproblem. The subproblem have followed the some greedy choices. And also the subproblem is having the some other subproblems. The subproblem having the some greedy choices. The optimal structure is follow like this. Here, a problem is said to be optimal structure, optimal substructure. The property, if the global optimal solution is said to be problem that will be constructed to the combining the greedy choices make with optimal solutions. Combining the greedy choices that will be made with the optimal solutions to the subproblem of the original problem. Subproblem of the original problem. So, this is the one of the real-time example for the greedy technique. Here, the greedy technique example is this is the traveling salesperson. Okay, the traveling salesperson is source and destination. In the source and destination between the number of cities are there. City A, city C, city B, city D, city E, city F. The person can start with source and reach the destination. Okay, here in this source and destination between the number of cities are there. Okay, in this reach source to destination the distance is less, that is the optimal solution. For suppose the person is reach from A, B, C destination. What is the distance from source to A city? A city to C city means 15 plus 11 plus 27. Okay. Another way is from source to city B. The city B having the reach the destination. The city B will reach the city F. That is the destination is like this. 10 plus 20. Another one is 10 plus 2 plus C2 destination 70, that is another route. The final route is source to destination through city D, E, F, that is 25 plus 13 plus 19 plus 17. So, in this way, we have to find out the least distance from the source to destination. Okay, that is the one of the example for the greedy technique. So, finally, the greedy technique generated the solution is like this. From source to destination, the path is source to city B, through city B to city F to destination will reach. So, the distance from the source to destination is 10 plus 2 plus 7, that is 19. Remaining destinations are displayed like this. 15 plus 11 plus 27, 30, 19. This one is the highest distance. So, the source to destination is least distance, that is 19. Finally, 19 will be source to destination. That is the greedy algorithm. So, what is the architecture for the greedy algorithm? Here, see this architecture. First, you can initialize the one empty solution. S equal to, initialize the solution empty set. While if the C is not empty, first step, first you can choose the item from C. That C is current choice is select of C. If the current choice is feasible, add yes. The current choice is feasible, can add yes. That is S dot add of C. Now we can remove the current choices from C. C dot remove from the current choices. Here we are using the select method. The select function will make the greedy choice from the input C. Okay. One more technique is there, is feasible. Is feasible means the function check whether the choice is made by the select function that lead with the optimal value, that is called as false. It is false. Okay. That is the architecture for the greedy algorithm. Thank you.
Vishnu Audio Visual Center, like and share and subscribe and click bell icon.